let us start with the cleaning master. I'm just deleting this client edition file. Okay, that is deleted. And now what we have is clinic master admin. Name of this file doesn't have anything to do with your job. If you want to change the name as you like, you can change it. No issues. Now I'm leaving as it is. Let us open it. Okay, we are starting the cleaning master. Now, while we open, Excel will ask enabling the macro command because this is having macro in with this file. Okay, macro means the VBA programming. Okay, VBA codes are already attached to this file. That's why it's asking. Okay, now it depends on the version of Excel. It might be different type of window asking about the enabling the content. I'm just enabling the content. Now the file is all set for us. Okay, let us start. First of all, let us look into file. This is the home screen. It's having three segments. The first one is the clinic, and the second one is ERB, and the third one is settings. Clinic is all about the creation of receipt, edit receipt, and browse receipts. And Vani is all about creating invoice, edit invoice, and browse invoice. Okay. The third segment is settings, and that also has three tabs, two in the case of client edition, and we are with admin edition, so it is having three buttons, which is preferences and master management and admin utilities. But this is a blank template having only a data that is the GST codes of state. Okay, so we know that in the GST billing, each state has got its own code. Okay, so that is already there in the system. So except that everything is blank, so we have to start from the scratch. Okay, let us look into the preferences. Just click on settings segment, the preferences button. Now we are with the preferences window. Okay, this is the preferences window, which is having 5 tabs. The first tab is general, second one is accounts, then invoice text, backup, restore. Okay, the first and foremost thing is that when the user creates invoice or receipts, all these are accounted with an accounting book. The important thing is that there will be only one book of accounting will be active at a time. This is the 2022 accounting year, and maybe if the 2021 was active, when you're trying to create the receipt or invoice, that time system will ask you are with a new financial year, we wanted to create a new accounting book. Okay, if you say yes, then the new book of accounting for 2022 will be created, and at the same time 2021 will be closed. Okay, so 2022 will be active. If you say no, I don't want to create new books of accounting, then the 2021 will be active, and whatever your invoice or receipt, whatever you are making, that will be accounted with the 2021 accounting book. Okay, now this is blank template, so no books of accounting is active. So we wanted to create a books of accounting. That is our first job. Go to accounts tab in the preferences. It has got 3 segments. The first one is use book. It is blank because we are not having any book with our template. Okay, while we are keep on using, books will be open, so all that will be listed over here. Whenever you wanted to switch to any of old books, from old book you wanted to switch to new book, all these can be done through this option. And bottom is here with the GST number. GST number is nothing but it will be printed on the invoice. This will be only a one-time job that you wanted to, whenever you are initially setting up, put your correct GST number and click on button update GST, this one. Okay, so that GST number will be updated. Now we have to create a book. Okay, so for the year 2022, it is already mentioned here and we cannot edit it. This box is not enabled for the user. This will be automatically system created whenever you are at the last quarter of a financial year. Okay, so whenever you are at the last quarter of a financial year, you can create a book for the next accounting year. Okay, basically you need not want to worry about it. Keep on using it. Whenever you are into a new year, system will automatically ask you whether do you want to create a new book for this accounting year. You are already with the new financial year. So that time you can just click yes. So automatically system will do everything. System will close that existing open book, and new one as per the new financial year will be automatically created, and new document numbers, receipt number will be set to 1, invoice number will be set to 1, and that will be set. So now what we have to do, this is the first time, so we have to just click on create button. So new books will be created, and what system says, you have successfully created books of accounting for the year 2022. Please note, previous books are closed and you have also shifted to new accounting books. Okay, and just click OK. Fine, that is closed. So we are already set a new financial year and we are with the accounting book. Okay, but we are not ready to start our creation of receipt or creation of invoice. We have to do a lot. So let us come into that in next week.